Life is full of uncertainties. While we cannot predict what the future holds, we can take steps to protect our loved ones and ensure their financial security. One vital tool for safeguarding your family's future is life insurance. In this video, we will explore the significance of life insurance and why it should be an integral part of your financial planning. Protecting your loved ones. Life insurance provides a safety net for your loved ones in the event of your untimely demise. It offers financial protection by providing a lump sum payment, known as the death benefit, to your beneficiaries. This financial support can help cover funeral expenses, outstanding debts, mortgage payments, and other daily living costs. Replacing lost income. One of the most critical aspects of life insurance is its ability to replace lost income. If you are the primary breadwinner in your family, your sudden absence can have a significant impact on their financial stability. Life insurance ensures that your dependents can continue to meet their financial obligations, such as mortgage payments, education expenses, and daily living expenses, even after you are gone. Dealing with debts and expenses. Aside from providing income replacement, life insurance can also help alleviate the burden of debts and expenses. If you have outstanding debts, such as a mortgage, car loan, or credit card debt, your life insurance policy can cover these liabilities, preventing your loved ones from inheriting them. Additionally, it can help cover medical bills, end-of-life expenses, and any other financial obligations you may leave behind. Education and future planning. Life insurance can play a crucial role in securing your children's educational future. By taking out a life insurance policy, you can ensure that funds are available to pay for their tuition fees, regardless of what happens to you. This alleviates the financial strain on your family and allows your children to pursue their educational goals without interruption. Types of life insurance. There are various types of life insurance policies to suit different needs. Term life insurance. This type of policy provides coverage for a specific term, typically ranging from 10 to 30 years. It offers a straightforward and affordable option for those seeking temporary coverage. Whole life insurance. Whole life insurance provides coverage for your entire lifetime. It combines a death benefit with a cash value component, which grows over time. This type of policy offers lifelong protection and can serve as an investment tool. Universal life insurance. Universal life insurance provides both a death benefit and a cash value component, similar to whole life insurance. However, it offers greater flexibility in terms of premium payments and death benefit amounts. Choosing the right policy. Selecting the right life insurance policy requires careful consideration of your unique circumstances and financial goals. Factors such as your age, health condition, financial obligations, and future plans should all be taken into account. Consulting with a qualified insurance professional can help you navigate the options and choose the policy that best suits your needs. Life insurance is an essential component of a comprehensive financial plan. It offers peace of mind, knowing that your loved ones will be financially protected when you are no longer there to support them. By securing life insurance coverage, you provide a foundation for your family's future, ensuring that they can continue to thrive even in the face of adversity. Take the time to evaluate your needs and explore the different types of policies available to find the right life insurance solution for you and your family.